Good morning, students. Welcome back in yoga session. Children, today we are going to do some asana which we have done already to increase your concentration power. We will repeat the same asana today. Before that, sit in Padmasana, both hand in a Gyan Mudra. Your back should be straight, your head should be erect. Close your eyes. Start the round Om chant. One round Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurabhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Rub your palm gently. Place it over your eye, on your face. Children, today we are going to do some balancing pose to increase your concentration power, which we have done already. And one more asana which you can do as your warm up. So first, before the balancing exercise, we are going to do one asana, and you can do other asana which we have done previous, like Tadasana, Tiryak Tadasana as a warm up. So stand with the feet about shoulder width apart, the arms by the side. Raise the arms to the shoulder level, then twist the body to the right. Bring the left hand to the right shoulder and wrap the right arms around the back. Bring the right hand around the left side of waist. Look over right shoulder as far as is comfortable here. Just hold this position for the few seconds. Your breath should be here normal. Keep the back twist. Your leg should be straight. Your knee should be straight. Hold here for the few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now come in center. Now turn towards the left. Now bring the right hand to the right shoulder and wrap the left arm around the back. Left hand around the right side of the waist. Look over the right shoulder as far as comfortable. Again, your back should be twisted. Your knee should be straight. Just normal, your breathe here, normal inhalation and exhalation. Just hold here for the few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come in center. Now from here we will do dynamic left and right. So start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Now come in center after completing your 10 round. Now exhale, release your position, bring your hands down, legs together. Next we are going to do Rakshasana, tree pose. This asana develops the nervous balance and strengthens the back, leg, ankle and foot muscle. So first raise your left foot, grabs the ankle and place the sole of the foot on the inner side of the right thigh. Heel should be close to the perineum and left knee should be pointed outside. Just maintain here your balance first. Stable. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up above the head. Join both the palms together in Namaskar. This is the final position. Hold your position here for the few seconds. Your breath should be normal in the final position. Just maintain your balance here for the few seconds. Fix your gaze at any particular point. It will help you to make your balance stable. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly from here exhale, bring your hands down, then release your leg position down. Just relax here. Now from opposite side. Now from right side, just bend the right leg, grabs the ankle and place the sole of foot on the inner side of the left thigh. The heel should be close to the perineum. The right knee should be pointed outside. Maintain your balance here first. Now from here, inhale, raise your arms up above the head. Join both the palms together in Namaskar. Hold here for the few seconds. Fix your gaze at any particular point to maintain your balance stable. Your breath should be normal. Continue deep inhale and exhale. Throughout the practice, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale, release your hand position. Now release your legs down. Relax here for the few seconds. Next is Garudasana, eagle pose. It also helps you to increase the concentration power. First, bend the right leg, twist it around the left leg. The right thigh should be in front of the left thigh and the top of the right foot should be rest on the calf of the left leg. Now raise your arms at shoulder level. Bend the elbows and bring them in front of the chest. Twist the forearms around each other with the left elbow remaining below. Just hold here for the few seconds. Try to maintain your balance. You can bend your left knee to maintain your balance. Now go more down by bending your knee. Now maintain your balance here for the few seconds. Fix your gaze at any particular point. It will help you to maintain your balance stable. Now exhale and release your position. Bring your hands down, straight your both legs. Now from the left side, bend the left leg and twist it around the right leg. Inhale, raise your arms up at shoulder level. Bend the elbows and bring them in front of the chest. Twist the forearms around each other with the right elbow remains below. Bend your elbow, go more down, hold your position here for a few seconds. Your breath should be normal throughout the practice. Hold here. 1, 2. Fix your gaze at any particular point. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now inhale and exhale. Release your position. Straight your hands. Bring your legs down completely. Now relax here for the few seconds. Now next we are going to do Nataraj with easy variation of Nataraj. Helps to develop muscular coordination, nervous balance and concentration. So let's start Nataraj. Stand with the feet together and focus on fixed point. Bend the left knee, grabs the ankle with the left hand behind the body. Keep both the knee together, maintain the balance here. Now from here, slowly raise and stretch the left leg backward as high as comfortable. Make sure the left hip does not twist and the leg raise slightly behind the body. Reach upward and forward with the right arms. Bring the tip of the index finger and thumb of the right hand together. This is the final position. Release your position, bring your hands down, both legs together. This is the one round from the left side. Repeat the same with the right side. Today we are going to do Shitli Pranayam. Shitli means cold and this give you a calm and smoothing effect. Sit in any comfortable pose, both hands in a Gyan Mudra. Extend the tongue outside the mouth as far as comfortable and rotate it from the side and make a pipe-like structure. Now inhale through the tongue and while completing your inhalation, take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale through the nostril. So this is the one round. You have to do 5 rounds more. Close your eyes, remove your tongue out, fold it from the side, make a pipe-like structure. Now inhale through this tongue, take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale from the nostril. Again, remove your tongue out, make a pipe-like structure, inhale through it, take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale through the nostril. Continue. This practice give you cool effect in your body and reduce the stress and cool your mind, your mental and your body. It maintain the temperature of your body. Again, remove your tongue out, fold it from the side, inhale through this tongue. After inhalation, take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale through the nostril. Again, inhale through the tongue. While inhalation, your chest should be come out, your abdominal should be come out. And while exhalation, draw your navel inward. Again, inhale, remove your tongue out, inhale through this tongue. Take your tongue in, close your mouth and exhale through the nostril. After completing your 5 rounds, just sit for a few seconds. Just close your eyes. Just now rub your palm gently, place it over your eye on your face. Now gently open your eyes.